Hello everyone, it's Safira. Today I'm going to show you some of the best things I've bought for my baby from Ikea. And you'll have to excuse the snoring because my cat is asleep on the bed behind me. The first item is this set of 3 Dribble bibs. I bought 2 packs of these, so I've got 6 of them. Lawrence wears them every day, and as you can see they wash quite well. They're looking in pretty good shape considering I use them when he's eating, as well as throughout the rest of the day. They've got Velcro on them, so that makes them very easy to use, and the size and the shape means that they're not too bulky, but they still catch any dribbles or food spillages or anything like that. Next we have another bib, or maybe I should call it a coverall or apron. I used this when Lawrence was first starting to eat solids, which was a very messy affair, as you might imagine. And I think it would be also good for an older child if they're doing any kind of crafts or painting or messy play activities. This one also has a Velcro fastening, and it also has this little tab. So I know some people like to put a hook on the back of the high chair and hang bibs from it, so this would be useful for that. Here's another item I use every day. It's quite large. It's the LATTSAM bathtub. What I like about this is it's very sturdy, and it also has rubberized parts on the bottom to stop it from slipping. Lawrence is quite strong and quite wriggly, so if I use this I don't feel that he's going to be in danger of having any accidents. The final item is this sleeping bag. I don't think sleeping bags are as commonly used in Japan as they are in other countries, since I've only found them being sold in H&M and Ikea so far. What I like about this one is the zip actually runs from top to bottom, so you don't have to worry about the zip pull hurting the baby's neck. And also it's just one zip fastening, there's no poppers up here as there are on some other sleeping bags, which is really great. When your baby gets to the wiggly stage, you just want to have as few fastenings as possible. I do think the design is sweet with the stars and the teddy bear, but I would like to point out this teddy bear's claws, which are rather terrifying. So those were my best Ikea baby buys. I'm going to put links to all the products in the description box below. The sleeping bag, they don't have the same teddy bear design anymore, but they've got a different one, so I'll link that one. Let me know what items you like from Ikea for your baby. And please also remember to give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more baby related videos from me. And again, I'm sorry about the cat, but he's happy and I don't want to move him, so I guess you'll just have to excuse the snoring. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye for now.